right, we're just going to do some quick warm-up activities with our whiteboards, yeah? Okay, and we're going to do some looking at 3-digit numbers. Could you please write for me 526? 526, then hide it. And show me. Okay, talk to your partner. Make sure you've got the right make any changes if you need to and show me again. Great. Okay, rub it off. This time I want 990. 990. Okay. And show me. Good. Here we go. 990. Okay. Rub that off. 802. And 2. That's right. And show me. Fantastic. All right. This time, I want the next number. The number that comes after the one I say. 719. What number comes next? 719. What's the next number? I don't want the number 719. I want the next number. The next. Good. Hide that. Hide that. So the number is 719. You're writing the number that comes next. All right. Show me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so the number was 719. Okay, so the number that comes next is 720. Yeah? All right, let's try again. So the number this time is 365. What's the next number? The number after 365 is... All right, hide it. And show me. Okay, so this was our number, 365, and so our next number was 366. We're looking for the next number. Okay, let's try again. 682, what's the next number? What's the number after 682? Okay, show me. Right, so it was 682, and so now the next number is 683. Okay, great. We're just going to go back to the 100 board now. Lids on pens, pens down. So when we go across here, what are we counting in? Ones. What if when we go down, what are we counting in? Tens. Look. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. Yeah? So when we go across, we go in ones. When we go down, we count in tens. So we had a few questions like 682. What was the next number? We're counting on in ones. Yeah? I could have said, so what is What's the number before this? What number comes before that? Write it down. And if you need help, you can look here. But I'm looking for the number that comes before 682. The number before. Okay, show me. Okay, we're looking, yep, 681. Okay, because look over here. If we take away the 600s and we just look at the tens, so we take away the hundreds, we're looking at the tens, look at 82. Here it is. One more is 83. One less is 81. Yeah? 82 is our number. So one more is 83. One less is 81. Yeah? Let's try a couple more. Okay, the number is 338. The number's 338. What's the number that comes after 338? Yep, hide it once you've done it. 338. What's the next number? If you're having problems, take away the hundreds and the number's 38. What comes after 38? But we had 300, so it's 330. Show me. Yep. Okay, thanks everyone. Can you please rub off your last answer? Put your cloth and your pen inside the plastic sleeve. And I'll know that you're ready to go out to lunch once it's in front of you and you're sitting up straight.